here to you all. How are you? We have 15 pounds of ham and cheese. We have grapes and all fruits. Today we cooked Lomi noodle soup with veggies and eggs. And how do you cook them? Right here in my beautiful beloved mom's cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Available at my two websites as well. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, and the other one is juanitagutierrez.com. Come on and eat. Happiest of New Year 2026 and moving forward. Lucky noodles. We have Lomi and huge ham. This is 15 pounds. I cut the top and the other side so that we could cook the other one in the next video. And we have in Spanish or Tagalog, queso de bola, round cheese. Oh my goodness, when you're cooking, you tend to have your tummy full because you keep tasting. And all my 22 books, S22, my beloved mom's cookbook, is one of the 22 available at Amazon, all bookstores, online stores worldwide, globally. And of course, at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Come on and eat. We top our Lomi noodle soup with veggies and of course ham. 15 pounds ham. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful beloved mom right here in her gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Come on and eat. Let's dine, let's eat. We are surrounded by some of my 22 books right here, The Rose and the Tilma, and How to Discern if God Calls You to Monastery Life, as I have shown in the previous video, and available worldwide as well. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy Lomi soup with ham, toppings, and eggs as well. Lucky noodle soup for New Year and all special occasions and happy occasions. Before we enjoy it, let's bless our food as our beloved parents, grandparents tell us to. Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love. And see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought for our self-sustain. And so it is done. Beloved I am. And that's my 22nd book, I Am God, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you all about the video. Available at my websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com and JuanitaGutierrez, BSED, Now we are ready to taste. This is yummy to the tummy. And I'm giving you your spoon and fork. I'm holding my camera at the same time. Oh my goodness. My tummy is full with all the tasting. Look at that. Lucky noodles for New Year. And every day for long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light. For you and me and all of us, yummiest. Oh my goodness, I love, just love, Lomi soup. And let's have the eggs. It's lucky as well to have eggs during the new year. And eggs are very healthy for us. For you and me and all of us. Excuse me, please. Oh my goodness. Delicious this side of just Mother Earth. And let's have, I'm holding the camera at the same time. Let's see if I could get a little piece of, excuse me please. Let's have let's see here. A piece of ham over here. For you and me and all of us. Super delicious. Mmm. Let's have some sauce for you and me and all of us. Super. Mmm. Flavorful indeed. Yummy. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. In the Tagalog language, napakasarap. In English, super delicious. In Tagalog, kain na po tayo. In English, come on and eat. Lomi soup with ham. And we have 15 pounds of ham right here that I happened to purchase. And I cut the top. And we have the cheese over here, the grapes, the lemons, strawberry, oranges, tangerines, and we have lots and lots and lots of fruits. Come on and eat. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyo lahat. This is mouth-watering. Happy New Year cooking. Blessings this Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward with long lives, prosperity, good health, peace, unity, compassion, forgiveness, love and light to us all. Right now and continuously, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this our gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, or Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide. My mom is shown here in the front book cover in our kitchen when we were growing up. And during the holidays and every day, our kitchen smells so good. Let's enjoy Lomi soup with ham toppings and eggs. Yummy to the tummy. My tummy is full. This is super flavorful. Lucky noodles for New Year and every day. Happy cooking. Enjoy.